Common mistakes I see realtors make on social media, part 6. You have 3 seconds to capture somebody's attention. 3. So how can we ever justify starting a video with, "Hey everybody, hope you're having a great day," or "My name is Erica Soba and I am a real estate..." Boo, boring. Nobody cares. At the end of the day, it's what can you provide that's going to serve me as the viewer so that I am willing to start watching your video. Your beginning part of the video is crucial. I definitely encourage you to look up the term social media hooks, meaning like, I'm gonna hook you as the viewer in to actually watch this video, because there's so many ideas of how to start a video versus those very boring, "Hey everybody, introduce yourself." Examples of hooks would be things like 3 things that every seller must do before they give the keys over, or here are 4 common mistakes that people make when determining the value of their home. Those have a much more interesting hook than, "Hey, my name is Erica and I would like to talk about determining the value of your home." Next, boring. Make sure you use hooks. It's way more enticing to the viewer. If you'd like part 7, let me know in the comments below.